Oh, I gotta weld my diff. I gotta open diff still.
How the fuck did I weld my shit before you?
Huh?
Yeah, his shit welded too.
Welded, bro.
You play.
Can you get out of here?
Hey, Adam LZ garage though.
Oh. Oh shit!
You don't want to do it.
Whoa!
No, traction control's already off. Yeah.
Hold up, guys. We got a truck with a strap. Hang on. Be careful.
Don't give a fuck about the fucking bunker.
I know. We're taking off the wire. Can you get out?
Yeah, he can get out.
Be good.
Hold up.
Like it is. You're pushed to your right, Jay. You're pushed to your inner.
Hey, give us the
So what happened, you ugly?
Give it way too much gas. Way too much fucking gas.
Hey, they actually looks cool though.
James, was that the no lift?
I hated
At least you're not scared to fucking
that
drive
was
it.
a no lift right there.
You're not scared to fucking drive it though.
Hell no, I ain't scared to drive this bitch.
Damn!
He told us that.
Hey, Jay, at least you finally got this bitch off.
No, I just gotta get the fucking other piece and zip tie it. It's good.
Yeah, zip tie my ass is good, man.
Duct tape.
Holy shit!
Back up.
Hey, fuck them. My mama watches this.
She does watch this.
I got you.
You do? Fuck yeah. Mama, if you're watching this, I'm sorry.
The flashlight is so nice.
drifting.
Oh, no. The wind took it. You were literally like doing this. You're doing this like.
Well, I'm trying to just like a love tap, and I couldn't. I like fuck it.
You came close to hitting that.
I know. I tried, man. First night out, man, with the fucking diff. I mean, welded. First time actually sliding the beamer. Actually.
Who'd you do it for though?
I did it for my Habibi. Oh. I did it for Maddie, my girlfriend over there.
The love of his life.
To impress her.
Oh, no, fuck that shit. Get out of here. Stop it.
It's for the YouTube.
Stop. I know. Stop.
Yep.
The girlfriend's like, can you do that again, bitch? You bitch. Yeah, beat this here neck and that
Whiplash without V-time.
I know, I stood there, I was like, fuck it. Take my feet, fuck it.
Hey.
I didn't. Semi.
Coming in.
Holy shit!
Got it in, bro. What the
Hey, he tried to drift. He had traction control. He had traction control.
Somebody's gonna get hit down there.
He wasn't slowing
We
down.
should have followed him and filmed.
What? Why'd you want to get hit?
You too famous. Already been done once.
Going World Star. Right?
He's about to get a big.
Alright, you're ugly. What happened?
Well, team no lift. I didn't lift. So I went to transition at the turn and I went wide and gave it a lot of gas and then slid right into a ditch. This is the result. That's my rear bumper, but this didn't seem to be broken. It looks like just a tab. Looks like it's fixable. Didn't crack. Got dirty. Definitely fell off. Front bumper's gone. Yeah, rest in peace, front bumper. But I hated that fucking thing. I hate fiberglass fucking bumpers. Yes. It came with the fucking car. I hate fiberglass. I like polyurethane, but I'm gonna get a stock front bumper anyways. I planned on it, but you know, it is what it is. I sent it and fucking still sent it. Did a few more runs without it. You know, fuck it. It's a drift car. What are you gonna do? You're gonna drift. You know? But